Question 9 asks us to write a two-column proof, start to finish, to prove that side JK is congruent to side LK. So with any proof, we start with what we're given. So let's start by writing down angle JHK is congruent to angle LHK, and our reason for that is given. So we have this piece of information, check. Now we need the other piece of information, angle JKH is congruent to angle LKH. That information is also given. And at the same time that we're filling in this proof, we should be annotating the diagram. So JHK is this angle right here, and LHK would be that angle there. And JKH is this angle down here, and then LKH is this angle down here. Okay, so now I have those two angles, and I need to prove that that side congruent, and my next step is I need to find one other piece of information to prove that those triangles are congruent. So, looking at the diagram, I see that these two triangles have a shared side, which means that HK is congruent to itself, to HK, and the reason for that is the reflexive property, because sides and angles are always congruent to themselves. So now, looking at these two triangles, I see an angle, a side, and an angle, angle, side, angle. So I can say that triangle HJK is congruent to triangle HLK, and the reason for that would be angle, side, angle congruence theorem. So now that I know the triangles themselves are congruent, now I can get to my final step, which is the statement that I needed to prove. If the triangles are congruent, then that means side JK, which is this side here, is congruent to side LK by CPCTC, because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent.